going to launch my new segment to be very real without any scripts. My journey as a teenager, I have also faced a lot of problems. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Khushi and today I am going to tell you something special, and that is I am going to launch my new segment in my YouTube channel, and that is going to be called दिल की बात with खुशी, जिसमें मैं अपने दिल की बातें करने वाली हूँ. I will share my personal experiences, my life lessons, my stories from my past. I will also take inspiration from the contemporary topics because life is constantly evolving. So yeah, we will add the current topics as well. I will put my stories and experiences into them, and I will just combine all of them so that it will appear like I am not just telling you. I'm chit chatting with you basically. Like I will have a conversation with you guys in this way. This segment is going to be very much relatable with the teens and the young adults because I am myself as a teenage. I have just turned into a young adult, so I really know the mistakes and the difficulties that the teen people faces and the problems that they go through. And in my journey as a teenager, I have also faced a lot of problems, a lot of struggle, I have also committed a lot of mistakes. I have faced a lot of confusion. I have faced a lot of when we are not able to think. So I want to tell you through my experiences like of the past and through my incidents, so I can prevent you from doing those mistakes and repeating them again. I want you to connect with me, and I want to tell you my story so that you can become better adults, and you can be able to give your life a perfect shape, a perfect path. So every week on Wednesday, I am going to upload a video on my YouTube channel related to this Dil Ki Baat segment, and in that I will be speaking about any topic. Like it can be a contemporary topic, like anything, or any random thoughts that are coming into my head related to something, or any story that I want to share with you guys, or anything which I just want to tell you from my heart. And it won't be scripted. This is the best part, that I won't do it with any script. Like whatever the topic is, I will just speak about it from my heart. I'll just tell my experiences, and I'll just tell you how I went through and what happened with that topic related to in my life. And I will tell you how I like overcome that. So there will be times when I will be sharing stories related to my past, when I will be telling you about things that you should not do, things that you should do, things that you should not get into, things that you should get into, and things like whatever the topic would be, I will tell you how to deal with that. And you guys can take an inspiration from that, and you can guys mold your lives accordingly. And life is all about learning, of course, and if you will learn from my experiences, you will also get into learning about a lot of things. So every video will be of 7 minutes, and trust me, it would be very relevant and it would be very real without any scripts. It just come from heart, and that's why this is Dil Ki Baat. And yeah, and from next Wednesday you can look forward for a new video every Wednesday, where we will dive into new topics of life, and we will reflect upon those topics from my stories together. And you guys are a very big part of this journey, so please do share your opinions, your ideas, your thoughts, or whatever question you want to ask from me, and whatever the topic that you want me to make a video on it, and I will make it. And I can't wait to tell you people the stories from my life that you will hear, because of course we can learn from each other's experiences. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't miss any videos, because every video will be going to help you a lot in your life journey, because it's my personal experiences. So, and of course you won't miss the honest talks, because it's real, it's not fake, it's everything is real, everything is everything is inspired from my story. So yeah, you won't miss it. Thank you so much guys for your love and support, and keep supporting me, and I will see you next Wednesday with a first video on this segment, Dil Ki Baat with Khushi, which will be the first episode, and I'm going to give you a hint. It will be related to farewell, so it will be a farewell story. And yeah, so till then, keep shining and stay awesome. Bye.